Enter ODOO Warehouse in the search engine. Go to the App page on the ODOO App Store. Select your ODOO version and click Download. Save the zip file to your PC. Navigate to the folder where you saved the zip file and unzip it. Open the unzipped folder. In File Explorer, replace the folder path with CMD. In the command prompt that opens, type the Secure Copy command to copy the module to your server where ODOO is deployed. Specify your server's address and the directory path for the modules. Enter the password from the server where ODOO is hosted. Wait for the copying to complete. Connect to your server via SSH. Restart the ODOO server. This is necessary to refresh the module's information. After installing the module, open ODOO in your browser on the Installed Apps page. Go to Settings and at the bottom of the page, click Activate Developer Mode. Return to the Apps list. As we see, Warehouse is not yet listed. To refresh the list, click Update Apps List. In the dialog, click Update. If the Apps page doesn't refresh automatically, clear the previous search term and refresh the Browser tab. Search for CLV again. Click Activate on the Warehouse module. Now complete all the warehouse setup steps for full functionality. Click Create. A registration form will open in a new tab on the Cleverance site. Fill out the form and click Register. After successful registration at Cleverance, click Add a database. Next, choose Warehouse. Select the server type based on your needs, demonstrated as on-premise in the video. Choose ERP system ODOO and specify the version. Then select a plan for Warehouse 15 and download the desktop app installer by clicking Download App for Desktop. After successful download, open the folder with the .exe file and run the Warehouse installer. Wait for the files to unpack. The Warehouse installation wizard will open. Accept the license agreement. In the ERP list, select ODOO. The installation of Warehouse begins. If Cleverance platform was not previously installed on your PC, you will need to download and install it. Also confirm the license agreement and start the installation of Cleverance platform. Wait for the complete installation of Cleverance platform. Click Finish. Installation of warehouse is complete. Click OK. The web application warehouse will automatically launch in your browser with a setup wizard to configure data exchange between ODOO and warehouse. Enter the details of your ODOO database. Enter the URL where your ODOO database is accessible. Enter the correct name of your ODOO database. Provide the ODOO administrator login and password. Click Set Settings. Data exchange is successfully configured. Click Complete Setup and return to the ODOO Module Warehouse Browser tab. Click Check Connection. The module page will refresh and the full list of warehouse settings will appear. Return to the warehouse web application. Click Add Device. The connection wizard for your mobile device to warehouse will open. Choose Android OS. Select your preferred method for installing the warehouse and proceed with the wizard. That's it. Have a good day.